Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. So today I am here in the southwest Las Vegas Valley, just west of the 15. We are about, I would say, 15-20 minutes from Harry Reid International Airport. As you can see, we have a couple other models here. But today we are going to be focusing on the Sage model. Now, the Sage model here is a next-gen suite. This is one of their most popular models and floor plans here. This is the Sage Next Gen. It starts off at $542,990, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It is 3,109 square feet. Has a total of 3-car garage. So let's go inside, let's take a look. Let's see exactly what they have to offer. Now the price increase here is pretty dramatic. Now, looking at this, looks like we have a solar panel. Now, the only thing that I do not like about this is that the solar panels, let me see here. Oh, you know what? Let's just double check. Now I'll get into solar panels in just a minute. Yep. So it looks like the home has the solar panels. Let me back on up here. Well, this is the, on this side of the home, this is the, what do you call it, the north side. So solar panel should be on the other side. This right here is the entryway into the next gen suite. Then we have the garage. So on the 3rd-car garage, I love how you have this little courtyard and they can walk in. They have their own doorbell. Then you have this side gate here. Now you do have these pavers. Yes.
Do you mind? I can go see the house.
You have to set up an appointment, sir.
I have an appointment.
Well,
I have an appointment with Emma, and he 11 o'clock. He talked to me. We're outside in the consultant.
Okay, so then you're gonna have to wait because we're still in here.
Oh,
okay. So, as you can see, we have some nice tile here. Now, one thing about Lennar, what they'll do is some of their communities will have the solar panels, which is, I do not like the solar panels, okay? And the reason why is because you're forced to use the solar panels. And to me, solar panels are only worth it if you negotiate the solar panel as far as what you pay per kilowatt. So people may think it's cheaper now, which it is, but as the years go along, that's how they actually get you. So let's take a look at here. Oh, this is a nice, pretty nice kitchen. Now with Lennar, pretty much everything that you see is what you get besides the refrigerator and washer and dryer. I definitely do love the granite here. Countertop, so you have a 2-inch granite countertops, under-mounted sink. Now, one of the upgrades, it will be the, what do you call it? The faucet here. Here's your GE appliances, stainless steel. And you have the standard white cabinets here, 42 upper cabinets with a 3-inch crown. Now, typically they do give you the maple, but you can upgrade to this white cabinet color. And typically the cabinets here are not your top of the line cabinets. Okay, but as far as for what you get for the money, pretty much worth it. Now, you do have a backsplash here. Normally you get that 4-inch backsplash. Let's take a look at the pantry. Pretty decent sized pantry here. And I love all this storage. Look at this storage space. Somebody's calling me, but can't answer that call right now. Take a look at that. Gorgeous, right? So you do have the flooring here, and you do have a nice, looks like a 10-foot slide. Ooh, this is cool. Let's go out here. Oh, they locked it. Dual pane windows with the low E on here. Love this covered patio with the pavers. The synthetic grass, you're not going to get all this. This is all going to be dirt, obviously. And I do love this 6-foot slide from the next gen. Also, forgot you have this outlet here, which is great for USB. Surprising they haven't used USB-C. Now, one of the options and configurations that you can do is you can also add LED lighting if you wanted to. I definitely would do that on this spec because you can already see how dark it is. You'll get your Cat 6 and also your cable. Let's take a look at it this end here. You got skip trawl on the texture, straight edge cornering with a 3-inch baseboards. Now, this wood plank here, this is tiled throughout. So as you enter your property here, you come right into the dining room. Property does come with blinds, which is great. You do have smoke detectors as well. Now coming down this way, this is going to be your next gen. Right off to the left, we have our half bath. Typically you'll have your pedestal sink. This is a 36-inch with the Korean undermounted sink. And then your toilet. These are 6-panel doors, stock and standard. Also the knobs. You'll see some of the things that they have is not like top of the notch quality. Okay. But again, for what you get for the money, it's great. I mean, take a look at this. You'll get your cable outlet here. Love the cabinet configurations with the granite. Now, you do have options on the type of granite. This is a convection microwave, which is nice, from GE. There should be a QR code right here. This is where you're going to scan your QR code, so that way you can go ahead and start to register for your warranty. Nice undermounted sink here. So over here, this is your entryway. There's your garage. And you do have a separate thermostat with a separate AC unit, which is great. Now, I'll have to double check that, but I'm pretty confident. This is a queen size bed. Now, I'm going to come on this side. Now, if you notice, you have the pre-wire for the ceiling fan, but I would probably add the 4-can lighting because you can already see how dark this is. And I do love this slider right here. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, let me know. Reach on out to me. I'll hook you up with my guy. I have a special relationship with one of the sales reps here with Lennar. And take a look at that, folks. 2 homes in one. Now here's the quarter bath. Again, you got the white cabinets to match the kitchen. You got your Korean undermounted sink and your Moen fixtures. And you got your single piece, right? Shower. And I love the fact that there's 2 benches here. Now what is this, some closet space? Yeah, some closet space. Okay. Got the medicine cabinet. You got a 2-inch casings around the door. What's great about this is you got your own doorbell too as well. Oh, is this some storage underneath the staircase? Great idea. Here's your 3-car garage. We can't gain access to it. And some more storage. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to head upstairs. Now, what I like about... Oh, look, there's a ring here. Oh, that's cool. Now, they do normally have a system with this builder where the home automated smart system where you have Wi-Fi throughout your home, so there's no dead spots. And normally those are in the ceilings. Now this is like one of the popular models for this builder. Definitely love the loft location. Look at that. You got your filters here, So go take a look at the master. Carpet's nice and plush. Huge master. We have 9-foot ceilings, and you have that French door right there. You have an 8-foot slide. Okay. Right across the street, we have the South Point Casino. You got the 15 right there, and I can't open the door. Coming into the master bath, we have tile, 12 by 24. Here's your water closet. Now, taking a look at your tub shower fiberglass combo. I actually do like this. Very easy to clean, low maintenance. Now let's just say if you ever get in a dispute between the builder, typically, just want to let you know, you're going to sign a waiver form stating that if there's any problems, if there's any type of arbitration, you're going to go through a third-party company, and they handle all the builders. Now, I've never gone through that process. Normally, if there is a problem, we resolve the problem. Also, if you feel like there's something that the builder has done wrong, there's actually a settlement fund that you can actually go to get money if they find that there was really something wrong with the build. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because people are always asking me, oh, who's a good builder? Like, I'm afraid about this builder. Look, when it comes to building a home, it's really what you know, and you know the steps and the procedures and what you can do to hold the builders accountable. Wow, this is a lot of space. Look at this. Ooh, I love this. Lots of space. Oh my gosh. Love it. And it looks like they do have the Traverse LED lights, which is their new lights for a lot of builders that they're using. But on this spec, they didn't really do any LED lights. Here's the closet. And tub shower combo. I try not to make this video too long. Coming into the last one here. Pretty decent size, but you definitely need some light. Now, as you can see, it's just a transfer grill, not a transfer duct. Transfer ducts are better, but they do use what do you call inside the attic? I forget the name. Radiant barrier. Alright guys, we're going to end this video. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Hit that notification button so that way you get new communities just like this. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.